Hello, everyone, and welcome to English 4. I am Miss Alaniz, and I will be your teacher for this year. And I'm so excited to see you back at school again. I hope you guys are ready to work. Today, I just want to go over some things with you guys for the week, the assignments that we expect you guys to complete. The first thing that I will need you to do is open up your Schoology account because that's the platform that we will be using. Make sure that you go to your courses and you click on your English 4 subject class. Once you do that, you will see this screen right here. Okay? So, once this screen appears, I want you to take a close look at our first folder, class information, very important. If you ever feel lost, if you don't know what to do next, what you're supposed to be working on, or you just forget how to do something, you can click on this folder and there you will find the teacher introduction. That's about me, so you can get to know me. It's a little video that I prepared for you guys. Your syllabus, very important, so you will know what to expect for this school year. In there, you will also find my information as far as how you can contact me and what my hours for tutoring are. You will also find links and how-to resources. So I want you to click on that and get familiar with it yourself. The how-to resources is a folder in there, and that folder, let's click on it right quick. Let me show you. Student resources folder. And when you click into the how-to resources folder, you're going to see a list of documents that you will be able to refer back to if you forget how to use a Bitmoji, how to set it up, Flipgrid, Google Slides, whatever we are going to be asking you to use for our classes. You can find the how to do that here in this folder. Again, it's under class information. So always click back on that one, student resources. Okay, so make sure you take some time to get yourself familiarized with that. Now, one easy way that I want to tell you to get back to our main page so you can find your way around again is click up here, the name of our class. See my cursor moving? And it will take you right back to our main page. So if you ever get lost clicking over and over and over from one page to the other, that's a quick way to get back to our main page. Now, because school has started, we have to start to work, right? I know. But anyway, the first thing that you're going to need to do for your assignments this week is check out our week 1 introductions. So this little yellow folder right here, you will click on it, and it's basically what the description says it is. You're just going to be introducing yourself. We're going to get to know each other this week, and I'm very excited to get to do that with you guys. Notice that the first thing that we have is the week 1 checklist. This is kind of like your survival guide if you've forgotten when things are due, what you're supposed to do each day of the week. Always go back and click on this. It will keep you right on track. I know it's taking a little bit of time loading, but I promise you it's extremely important. You're going to want to refer back to it, like I said, to keep yourself on track and make sure that you're turning in those assignments. They are due this week, guys. We have something due each day, and this is a way that we can make sure and count you present in our class, that you have been doing the work that you're supposed to do. So as you can see, we have everything neatly organized for you, what you're supposed to be doing each and every single day, and when the due date is. Okay, I will prefer for you to turn it in the same day that we are assigning it to you, so that way you can get it done out of the way and you're not scrambling last minute. All right, so let's make the most out of it. Again, I'm gonna go back to my week 1 introduction folder because that's where all my assignments are gonna be located for me to accomplish this week. So today, Tuesday, or first day back, yay, the assignment that I need you to turn in fill out the Google form, okay? So you will click on this link. That form will pop up for you. Make sure that you answer every single field. Make sure that you put honest answers because we really want to get to know you. I really want to get to know you. So again, for today, this is the assignment that you have to turn in, the Google form. Find it in the week 1 introductions folder of our class. Okay, now let's take a look at Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday, we're gonna go back. It's the About Me folder. Click on that. Once it opens up, you're gonna see several options. When you open this Learn About Me document, it's gonna give you instructions as to what we expect. Share a little about yourself. Choose one of the options to share information about yourself. Please remember to include complete sentences in your explanations, guys. If you forget how to do something, when you pick one of the options, here are some helpful links that you can refer back to. You want to insert a slide, an image, change a background color, go back to this document in the About Me folder and refer back to it. So again, on Wednesday, the assignment that is due is one of these 3 options, only one of them. Practice About Me option number 1, which is a virtual locker. If you click on this link, you are going to have the assignment expectation typed up for you. And at the very bottom, we have included, or I have included, an example of my locker as well as a rubric, so you will know exactly how we're grading this. So shall you choose to go with option number 1, it will look like this, your virtual locker. Now, I have included the link to this template. It's only to be used as a template. Make sure you customize it to reflect your personality. You don't have to use Bitmojis. You can use any other picture about yourself that you wish to share with us, okay? So again, that's option number 1. Let's go back over here. Let's look at option number 2. Option number 2 is basically a slideshow, all about you slideshow. I know it's loading, it takes some time. Again, I have included a link to my slideshow as an example. Here it is. You are welcome to use it as a template only. Make sure that you customize it. Make sure that you read that first slide. And as you customize, make sure you include your own pictures, your own likes. It will be graded, guys. Remember that. So I hope you have fun. Get creative with these, okay? So that's the second option. Our last option that you can choose from to talk about yourself, it's fun. It's very, very fun. Basically, you have to pick a movie. Option number 3, you have to pick a movie, a book, a series, a show, and use the quotes to tell all about high school or high school as told by that movie, that book, that musician, anything you pick. Mr. Jimenez was so awesome and he prepared one for us and I included a link. And again, you are welcome to use these as templates, guys. You have to come up with your own piece of work, okay? And this is a lot of fun. So you're just looking for quotes to express, what high school is like. by that movie or the characters in the movie, basically, or the show. So first day of school, I'm ready. That's SpongeBob. Okay. So those are your three options that you can choose from. Again, this is for Wednesday. Option number 1, locker. Option number 2, slide about yourself. Or option number 3, high school as told by SpongeBob, as told by High School Musical, as told by Katy Perry. Whatever quotes you can find from them, that's what you will be using. There will be videos inside each of these, guys, to help you navigate or accomplish this assignment. All right, let's go back and continue to check out the rest of our week. Week 1 introduction. Okay, now let's go to the next day. For Thursday, your assignment is to write a letter to the teacher for Thursday. You will find that in the next folder, letter to the teacher, and it's very self-explanatory. You just click on this link, it will pull up the form, and you will just answer the questions. Answer them honestly. Okay? My online learning plan. This is designed to help you complete the assignment. Make sure, once again, that you're answering in complete sentences. Use this as a template to guide yourself and upload it. Okay? Now, final day, Friday, last assignment that you must turn in. Discuss your learning goal. I'm going to apologize for this not loading fast enough. So we'll go again, week 1, introductions, and you will click on your last assignment, discuss your learning goal, and we have some sentence stems for you to be able to start off your video. And here is an example on how to leave a comment in a discussion board. As you can see, you are supposed to leave a video comment here, so make sure you check that out. This will be due Friday. Okay, so let's head back to week 1, and you will be able to find your assignments for the entire week here. I know it's a lot to take in your first sitting, but that's why I made this video. If you feel the need to pause it somewhere, you can scroll through it to make sure that you understand what things are due which day. You can refer back to this video anytime. Again, my name is Miss Alaniz, and I look forward to working with you this year. Take care and turn in those assignments.